Okay guys, I got a 2022 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So we're going to go right here to the glove box, open it up. From there, you're going to push this out like this. So push this piece out like this. One side and the other side as well. You may have to play around. So down goes that. Cabin air filter is right there. To open it, there's a thick piece right there you can pop out. And then over there as well. And that's the cabin air filter. So you just pull it out. Check it out. This one's obviously brand new, but I just want to show you how to do it. You put it in with the arrow marked down. So put it in. Put it in like that. And then put this back on. Like this. Put it in the hole. This is kind of hard to do. Okay. Like that. This piece is kind of in the way. And then you just push it up, pop it back on, and that's how you do it. Hopefully that helped, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll put a link in the description for a good cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.